Unleash your inner artist and conquer YouTube by mastering the mesmerizing world of Midjourney AI art. Welcome, aspiring creators, to your ultimate guide on transforming Midjourney AI creations into a thriving YouTube channel. We'll dive deep into sparking creative content ideas that captivate your audience, refining your visual storytelling through smart editing, and optimizing your videos for maximum discoverability. First, let's talk content. Think beyond just showing finished pieces. Your viewers want to see the process. Create tutorials detailing how you brainstorm unique concepts and translate them into powerful prompts. Experimentation is key. Show your audience the unexpected results and how you iterate to achieve your vision. Consider themed series like surreal dreams or cyberpunk futures, where each video explores a different facet of your creative exploration. Mythology reimagined or lost civilizations can also be incredibly engaging. Don't forget prompt breakdown videos dissecting what makes certain prompts so effective. Now, let's elevate your presentations with smart editing. Keep your pacing dynamic. Use background music that complements the mood of your art. Add clear, concise text overlays to emphasize key tips or prompt elements. Smooth transitions between showing the AI generation and showcasing the final masterpiece are crucial for viewer retention. Finally, optimization is your secret weapon. Craft compelling video titles and descriptions using relevant keywords like Midjourney tutorial, AI art creation, and digital art. Use those exact hashtags we provided to connect with a wider audience searching for this kind of content. Thumbnails are your storefront. Make them eye-catching and indicative of the incredible art within. Engage with your comment section. Build a community, and you'll be well on your way to building a successful online art channel powered by the magic of Midjourney.